Imagine for a moment that you are standing at the edge of a dock and you are looking down at a person who is struggling to swim to the surface. Now, you try from your mind to tell them to swim left, to swim right, but eventually it's not working, so you decide to do what? Dive beneath the surface. You find that their pants are caught on a jagged rock. You unhook their pants and wow, magically they're able to swim to the surface. What does this story tell us? This story tells us that no amount of directing ourselves or other people from the mind is really going to work unless we're actually attuned to and understand what is beneath the surface. So I want to talk about how this relates to needs. A lot of us are guessing what it is that we need or what another person needs. And we're guessing what is motivating our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors, but we don't actually know because the people around us didn't attune to us subtly. We never learned that skill. So what ends up happening is we try to guess and then we miss the mark and we don't have the healing experience because we missed the mark. So needs and healing experiences have very specific flavors to them. The healing experience of unconditional acceptance is very different from containment or validation. We can't nail the healing experience until we nail the flavor of what was missing.